at the Deltona Regional Library, which is one of 14 branches of the Volusia County Public Library system. When COVID-19 hit in March, the libraries were faced with a unique challenge: how to keep children reading and engaged over summer vacation and beyond. The librarians put their heads together and envisioned a contact-free library.
7, 8.
So we closed down except for curbside in March, a few months before our busiest time of the year, our summer programming, and had to found ourselves in a situation where we had to completely rethink how we are going to reach our audience during the summer. We're used to doing in-person programming with hundreds of people in a room at a time. So we racked our brains and we came up with virtual programming, which really wasn't that terrible, switching from in-person to virtual. We just had to get ourselves used to the idea that we have to imagine the children on the other side of the camera instead of seeing them directly in front of us.
Story times are great fun. The librarians don't just sit there and read. They sing, clap, stomp their feet, use puppets, and they even teach some Spanish words. Kindergarten readiness programs morphed into Fun Fact Friday videos. Library staff also posted summer reading logs online and started handing out Lit Kits to Go, which are customized packages of books, crafts, and educational activities. So far, more than 1,600 Lit Kits have been distributed.
So these are curated kits created by librarians for an individual child, including books that were specifically selected for that child's interests, crafts, information for parents, and just lots of fun little goodies that children can sign up for weekly.
Since the pandemic began, the libraries have been handing out coloring and activity packages that include crossword puzzles, nature walks, scavenger hunts, and educational worksheets for children and teens.
As soon as we realized that we were not going to be able to continue youth services as normal because we were going to be closed and because we were going to limit the services that we offered as far as large gatherings, the staff immediately stepped up and developed a plan for providing services during the pandemic. And we were fortunate to receive an innovation award, one from the Northeast Florida Library Information Network for our Lit Kit program, but also for our library services to youth during a pandemic from the Florida Association of Counties. And I'm just super proud of our staff and the work that they did to continue library services. They've done an outstanding job.
Since March 2020, the library system has provided more than 300 digital programs with a total attendance of more than 50,000 children and adults. You can learn more at volusialibrary.org. For Volusia Magazine, this is Pat Kewen.